we will still pursue cases naman in court. The Discayas will be charged in accordance with our investigations. Cooperation kasi is good because it can lead to restitution. It can make things easier for the country. But if they want to give the country a hard time, so be it.
Doon sa naging desisyon ng Diskaya couple not to cooperate for now, what do you think of that? I mean, was that a good move?
Ano na yan nangyari na yan sa amin nung isang linggo sa DOJ nung nasa DOJ pa ako Nung sinabihan sila na huwag kayong aasa na hindi na kayo makukulong kasi sa dami ng krimen na pinag-uusapan dito, baka hindi nyo makuha yung blanket immunity na kinakailangan nyo. And right there and then, they stop talking.
Sino ho ba ang kanilang, kasi sabi nyo, kailangan nila ilahad lahat Sino ho ba ang kanilang, it seems na kanilang pinoprotektahan, and how far high does that go?
I think they've been protecting Bongo. The joint venture that they had with CLTG, with the family of Bongo. That's one of the protection, one of the people that they've been protecting. To be blunt about it.
Senator Bongo. You're looking into this as well, Ombudsman, yung kay Senator Bongo?
Of course. Ano yan kasi nga yung mga prohibited interest, conflict of interest, isa yan sa special, special areas of concern in researching the culpabilities of people so we can have restitution given to the country. Marami kasing nangyari dyan na may conflict of interest talaga, especially marami sa congressmen. They were even the contractors in their own districts. Kapatid nila, o kaya minsan sila mismo. But that's what you call low-hanging fruit, Pinky.